Hi, this is Aurora from superchargedmath.com. Now, if you're having a hard time with math, you're in the right place because this is where we take the challenging math concepts and we make them easy. So if you want to learn math the easy way, just visit superchargedmath.com. Okay, let's get started.
And so let's talk about this. What is percent change or percent of change? Okay, it's how much something increases or decreases compared with the original value. So if last week you bought a toy for $50 and this week it's $40, that would be a decrease, it'd be less. Okay, here is the equation that you want to use, but take a look at this with me, okay? So it says percent change is the amount of the change, so new minus the old, divided by the old. This is the one, half of the students when we teach this, trip right there. So if you have a mistake in your answer, always check the denominator on this one. Make sure you had the old one. And let me show you what I mean. Okay, so we always divide by the original number because that's the number that changed. So you want the original in there. Okay, so let's do some example problems.
By the way, if you'd like to learn how to do fractions the easy way, I'm actually giving a whole class on it for free. You just want to click the link in the description or in the comments to register, or simply go to getmath.net/fractions. Okay, let's continue.
That's right, a percent is a fraction where the denominator is always 100. So what's the numerator? Just put this on top. Good, so if I said 25%, you don't have to reduce it. What is it? Yep, if you want to write it as a fraction, the bottom is always 100, the top is, good, 25. Okay, good, that was review number one. Number two, if I asked you, what is 50% of 20? Okay, all right. Now, I know you can probably do this in your head. Let's write the statement, okay? What is the equal. Okay, now can you do the rest? You guys are already giving me the answer. I know you can do it in your head. Can you write the statement first? Right? Because I could say 38% of 20 and then you couldn't do it in your head. All right. Good, so write 50 as a fraction. So here's your 100 and the 50 is the numerator. Good, so this is the fraction and percent. Good. Of, that's multiply. And then 20, you just drop it down. Okay, what is something we don't know, and that's what we want to know. So 50 over 100, this is reduces to 1/2. So x is half of 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Beautiful, smile. If this is, oh yeah, this is what we've been working on for the past 3 weeks. Excellent. So if you're like, hey, I don't remember this, go back to week 2 and week 3, where we spent the whole class time talking about this type of problem.